Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to set up and fix the font on header on Shopify. So if your Shopify header font is incorrect or inconsistent, follow these steps to change or fix it properly. The first step is changing header font in Shopify theme settings. The easiest method. Go to Shopify admin page, click on online stores, then navigate to themes. Here, click on Customize. Now on the left bar, choose theme settings and here choose typography. Then you'll have to look for the header font option. Now choose your preferred font and click save. What you can also do is just navigate to header section, click on it and this will instantly show the settings for header. Now you can look for your preferred font and click save if you see the option. This applies the font to your header without coding. Now, you can also change the header font using custom CSS. Just navigate to the page we were on and copy this code from the description of this video. So in order to do this step, go back, click on the three-dotted icon at the left of customize button, click on edit code. Now search for base.css, hit enter. Click on base.css. Now scroll down on this page. At the bottom, place your cursor and paste the code that is available in the description of this video. So copy this code and paste it and replace Poppins with your desired font in this code. So here you will say Poppins available here. So I will search for font names and I will type in, for example, Mons Roboto. So I will remove this Poppins and I will type in Roboto, Roboto. Now I will click on save. After I click on save, I'll click on exit. I will navigate to customize again. And as you can see, my theme's font has been changed. Now, if the font doesn't update, Shopify might be catching old settings. Try clearing your browser cache. Also, try checking in an incognito mode. Also, try a different browser. Now, if the issue persists, ensure the correct font is loaded in your theme and that will solve your problem. Now, you'll have to right click, click save, then refresh your store to see the changes and that will instantly solve your problem. So these were the ways through which you can fix this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.